It's Cajun chicken Alfredo. It was one of the first recipes that I ever brought to the Food Network. And we've kind of adapted it at the Fieri house. Here we go. We're gonna take this chicken breast and cut this and plop it into the pan. A little bit of the blackening spice. Now that pan's getting nice and hot while we're working right now, and we're gonna add just a little bit of canola oil to it. See how hot it is. Now, get the seasoning really packed into these breasts. Okay, like so. Take a look at that. Now let's hit the other sides. All right. Pack them in with your finger, and there we are. Now watch out when it first goes in, because a little bit of that smoke is actually some of the blackening seasoning itself. It's not the chicken that's turning black, it's actually the seasoning. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at the colors, look at the blackening. We're gonna get that onto that side, and then we're gonna transfer it to the oven, where we're gonna let it cook for a little bit longer and make sure that we cook that chicken all the way through. Look at those. While those are resting, we're gonna get started on this Alfredo sauce. Let's hit it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Nice. In with this minced garlic. Ah, beautiful. And sun-dried tomato time. Now let's get to the chicken breast, because we're gonna cut this chicken breast up, pop those in. Now, we've just got enough of the flavor starting to get to the bottom of the pan, so my favorite, Sonoma County, a little white wine. Stand back, that could flare up on you. And the sauce that's gonna tie it all together for the Alfredo part of it, some heavy cream. Oh, and steamy, can you see me? There we are, okay. Looks great. And right into the pot. There we go. And look at that, look how the sauce is tightening up nice. And serving this in a great bowl like this black one here. Okay. Beautiful. And you can just smell all the flavors coming out of it right now. There you go. Primo.